In this video, I'll be reviewing this budget-friendly waist trainer. If you want the details on this waist trainer, stay tuned, you won't want to miss this.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What is up, Nova Nation? My name is Vana Supernova, and today I have something a bit different for you guys. I have a goodie. Of course, anytime I have like a bargain find, I bring it to you guys. Y'all already know I got y'all. So I'll be reviewing this generic waist trainer I found on Amazon. But for those of you who are new here, let me catch you up. I'm currently on my weight loss journey, and I journal all my updates into my weight loss diary. To see my full journey, check out my weight loss journey playlist right here so you won't miss a thing. So first things first, this video is not sponsored, and I'm not even sure what the real company's name is. It's generic, y'all, like generic. I just remember looking on Amazon for just like a generic no-name waist trainer, something I can work out with, something I could wear underneath my clothing, something comfortable, something that doesn't have those metal stents. I hate them. I tried looking on YouTube, but everybody's pretty hush-hush with their finds, and I'm kind of like, why? Just let me know what you got. So I had to take a chance, and y'all, I'm kind of happy I did because this looks legit. So y'all, I tell you no lie, on the front all it says is a waist trainer, and it's like a gold foil writing. It looks pretty legit. The packaging is pretty durable, and it has this card on it, but it's just like a dear friend, I hope you enjoy, everything's well with you, like, you know, but still there's no company name on it. Like, it says join our Facebook group, but it's just like a Google link. It's kind of weird. So I'm guessing companies buy from this vendor and resell them. This is what the waist trainer looks like. It is a very pliable, like I can bend it this way, but there's like, it feels like there's a plastic insert on the inside, but it's definitely not metal, like definitely not the metal, because the metal, sometimes it will poke through the material and it'll stab the heck out of me, but this one is different, y'all. And the kind I got, it's not the V kind, like there's no V in the stomach area because I don't have a V in my stomach area. And so this is what it looks like. My waist is 42 inches, so I got the 2XL because he told me to size down. It does have a hook to hook and a zipper to zip down. And when you do that, it reveals the actual portion where you have to unclip to put on. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you guys how this thing looks on. So this is the gut I'm going to try and conceal. And let's see, how do I put this on? Okay, so initially it's kind of like, oh my god, I don't think it's gonna fit me, but we're gonna make it fit. So just to play safe, I'm gonna go with the middle. All right, now to go over some of the company's claims. It flattens the abdomen, which gives you a smaller waist, and it holds your back, which provides lumbar support. It's good for postpartum recovery, it protects the spine, and last but not least, it promotes body heat, which causes like a sauna effect and causes you to sweat more, so you're essentially burning more fat. So this is it on without the little flappity flaps. And now I'm going to zip it up. It has double adjustment for high compression. It has 3-row hooks and an outer zipper cover. Now I want to make an amendment to what I said earlier. Earlier I said it didn't have the steel bones, but it actually does. It has 4 spiral steel bones, and it's crazy, y'all, because I do not feel them. It fits perfectly over my clothing. You can't even tell I have anything on. I can bend my body perfectly, and it feels very comfortable. Like, I'm liking the way this feels. I'm liking the way it conceals everything, but when it's tight you can't really see like the details of it because the zipper, like in some of them it's like ribbed and you can actually see the trainer. Yeah, even the back is pretty clean, which you can see. I like it. I feel like it's doing something for me here. Now, whether I'm gonna wear this out or if I'm gonna wear this to work out, I'm not even sure, but at this point I don't even feel like it matters. So yeah, let's do a little bit of commentary. I haven't worn it to the gym just yet, so this is kind of a first impressions video. So I really wanted something that could hold my shape together underneath my clothing, and I feel like this was the perfect solution for me. I wanted something that I could wear underneath my dresses, my workout attire, something that will just have me having a less floppage. Some of y'all know what I mean. I just didn't want my body to be doing this when I'm walking, okay? Benefit of this is that it doesn't show details underneath your clothing, which I just showed you guys. It pretty much holds everything into place. Because it doesn't have the metal stents in it, it's workout friendly, meaning that I could take this to the gym, I could do some sit-ups, and I don't feel any metal stents in my back. It's easily pliable, which I kind of already showed you guys. I could bend it a little bit. You can't bend it in half because there are like these plastic stents in there, which are much less harsh than the metal one. There's a 30-day guarantee on it, so if I have any problems with this one, I can always return it, but I don't see that happening in the foreseeable future. I got the generic kind instead of the expensive kind just to try it out. What if it didn't work for me? You know, I didn't want to buy something like mega expensive, $120, $80, and it end up not working for me at all. I wanted something that I knew that if it didn't work for me, I could just send it back, or something that if I lost my money, I would have no regrets, like, hey, at least I tried. But yeah, so far I like it. So far, you know, it's smooth. I don't feel any bumps or like indents or anything from it. The material is like a satiny material. It feels like satiny. It feels very good on the skin. It's very comfortable, I will say. It's not too big, not too small. I can adjust it a little bit more than I did. Right now I have it in the middle column, but there is a size higher and a size lower that I could choose. Would I recommend it? I think I'll do a follow-up on this one because I can't recommend something I haven't put to work yet. So I'm gonna put this to good use, and I'm gonna give you guys an update in the future and tell you guys if I recommend it or not. But first impressions, yes, it's a go for me. So question of the day, let's talk, you guys. Do you waist train? If so, when do you wear your garment? Have you seen any results? Leave your response in the comment section below, and don't forget to share the love. If you love this video and love health related videos just like this one, please give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more like it. And consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. Bye, you guys.